Let me be blunt. If you're getting a mortgage or refinancing your home right now, the system is stacked against you. Traditional lenders are slow, borrowers are overcharged, and the lack of transparency costs people time, money, and deals. That's exactly why Direct Rate exists. My name is Ponch. I've been lending for over 30 years. I was the #1 loan officer in the early 2000s, and I've been part of a system funding over 20,000 loans a month. I've seen what works, and I've seen what breaks deals. Here's the truth. Most lenders won't say out loud speed, clarity, and structure matter more than sales talk. At Direct Rate, we rebuilt the process from the ground up. Fewer handoffs, fewer delays, incredible rates, fewer surprises. Our average close is 19 days, and we maintain a 5-star rating across the board because the system is designed to move, not stall, and our clients love us because of it. And if you're wondering, what's a catch? There isn't one. No games, no smoke and mirrors, just a clean, efficient lending process built to serve the borrower, not the bureaucracy. Whether you're buying, refinancing, or investing, you deserve a lender that respects your time and treats your deal like it matters. If you're ready to get pre-approved without the headaches, start right here. Get pre-approved with Direct Rate and experience how lending should work. Thank you so much.